Stop losing your leads. What's up? This is John from John Branch for Photography, and today we're going to talk about 3 reasons why you're losing your leads right after this message. With digital contracts, e-signing, online payments, and automation, HoneyBook is the perfect tool to help you quickly and confidently book more clients. Use the link in the description below for 50% off your HoneyBook subscription. So probably one of the most annoying things as a small business owner is getting leads, but then watching them just disappear. Maybe they don't reply to you and you're just wondering, why are they not sticking? Why are they not booking with me? So let's go over 3 quick reasons why you're probably not booking your leads. First, starting out with speed and consistency. When you get a lead, you need to be on top of that like today, tomorrow, yesterday, in the future. Whatever it takes, you need to be on top of your inquiry. So if you think about it, today we live in a day of instant gratification. Everything's now. Give it to me fast. You got Instagram. Everything's just instant noodles, instant whatever. It's just everything is fast. And now you got fast food. And so if you're sitting there being like, oh, I just got an inquiry. Let me just take some time and I'll hit them back up. No, someone else will hit them up faster than you will, or either they just won't care by the time you get to them because it's not instant. I cannot tell you how many times that I've gotten back to someone who's inquired with me within 5 minutes, and the response they always give is just like, oh wow, that was so fast. I can't believe it. So be quick and be consistent. Make sure you follow up with your leads. Don't let them go for 3, 4, 5 days without saying, hey, what's going on? What do you need? Is there something else I can give you? Is there more information you need? Just stay on top of them and ask them anything that they may need. Stick to it and be fast. Second off is your authenticity, or just how real you are. There's a lot of businesses around, especially for something like I do photography. There's mad photographers. Everyone's always worried about things being oversaturated and there's too many people, but you need to be authentic. If you're just you, if you're real to yourself and real to your client, they will see it and they will buy it. Most all these companies, and we're talking about big name companies, really just are being them straight first and forward so that you will buy their product. You want to buy into their brand. And if your brand is authentic, people will want to work with you. You don't want to be every other person. So like for photographers, you don't want to be the same photographer. If you're doing wedding photography, you don't want to be, oh, congratulations on your engagement. Everybody says that. Everybody says that. Tell me who does not say that. So it's like, be different, but be you. Be real and don't just do the same old stuff. Reinvent yourself. Why do you think big companies are always changing up their commercials and always giving a new message? You got to be real and different, and just something that will catch your client. And last but not least, it's what you're offering. Sometimes what you're offering and how you're offering it is just not correct. And what you need to do, instead of getting mad and saying, oh, no one's buying my stuff maybe because they don't like it or whatever, instead of blaming everything else, everything outside of yourself, you need to look back on yourself and say, well, what can I change? What can I fix that will make people want to buy my product more or use my services? A great example of this is Coca-Cola. And there's like a case study that I read about one time, but in the past, they changed their taste and everyone hated it. And the dude who like led that got fired, and it was this whole thing. But then what Coke did after that is they rolled back. And that's why all the Coke cans have the whole like real original Coke taste or whatever, because they had to pull back and say, you know what? The market did not like when we changed it. They weren't feeling it. So let's offer them what they want. So it's the same thing with your business. Make sure what you're offering is what the market wants. Make sure that you're in the right price range. Make sure that you're offering the right set of things. Don't try and just put stuff in there because you're like, well, this is what I want to sell. I'm going to make mad money on it. If no one's buying it, there's obviously something you're not doing correct. So don't force it. Look at your offerings. So those are 3 reasons your leads aren't sticking. And trust me, I applied a lot of this stuff and it made a big difference for me. Also, to give credit where credit's due, I learned most of this stuff from the Hustle and Flow workshop, which is something you definitely need to check out. I put a link in the description, so definitely check out the workshop because it is bomb. It is so good. And you will change your whole business if you just apply the things you learn. I hope that was helpful. Make sure to get on top of your leads. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification for more videos on small business application, tech stuff, photography stuff, the whole nine. And I'll see y'all later.